What's up guys, my name's Corey, this is Jake. We're going to be doing a rear diffuser swap out to the carbon fiber on the G87 M2. Check it out. First step, obviously we're going to take off the OEM one, which is just going to be gloss black. Come on in here. It's all clips, there's no fasteners whatsoever. Literally all you got to do is pull. I use a little trim tool here in the event that I just need a little bit of extra pressure to relieve some of the clips, but it's really not necessary. Okay. And then on the bottom side, I'll use a flathead. Clips are a little bit smaller. That's it. You guys can take a look at the new one. It's gonna go in the same way we took the old one off. It's all clips, the same OEM mounting locations as the one we took off. Full dry carbon fiber construction. Just simple clips. Hold it in place. Be careful the clips do not scratch the paint. This is a wrap, so it's a little easier. Just gonna clip in, a little bit of pressure. You gotta make sure the clips are lined up into the receptacles of the bumper. Sometimes they'll get hooked on the bottom side and prevent it from going in. Once you got those top clips in, go ahead and just secure the bottom clips. It's that simple, easy, we're all done here. Just simple clips. Whole install should take you close to around 5-10 minutes max. This is Corey and Jake checking out at RW. Thanks for stopping in.